Is a bottle washer actually worth it? As a busy mom, I wanted to find out. Washing bottles by hand takes so much time, especially when you have a newborn. Let's just load everything inside. Adding the cleaning tablet. Choose the cycle and press start. Instead of washing bottles, I can actually spend time doing something else. Everything comes out very clean and it's dry. As you can see, the difference is obvious, guys. So for me, it's absolutely worth it. It saves my time and effort. So guys, get your machine today on Amazon.